I've been exploring the Discover It secured credit card for a while now, and this video is my honest and unbiased review on the same. I'll cover all the main points, from key features to risks and considerations. So by the end of this video, you'll have a better understanding of it. First, let's talk about what it offers. The Discover It secured card is designed for people building or rebuilding credit, and you can apply without an existing credit score, which is helpful in 2026 if you are starting from scratch. You put down a refundable security deposit starting at $200, and that becomes your credit limit, with Discover reporting your activity to all three major bureaus, so consistent on-time payments can actually move your score over time. There is no annual fee. You get 2% cash back at gas stations and restaurants on up to $1,000 in combined purchases each quarter, 1% on everything else. And Discover still offers its first-year cashback match, effectively doubling what you earn in the first year. On top of that, you get a free FICO score, $0 fraud liability, the ability to freeze your card in the app, and broad acceptance at about 99% of places that take credit cards in the US, which keeps it practical as a daily driver card. With that said, it's not perfect. The purchase APR is on the high side at a 26.49% standard variable rate as of early 2026. So carrying a balance is expensive and pretty much defeats the purpose of using this card to get ahead. You also need to tie up at least $200, and possibly more, as a deposit, which can be tough if your budget is already tight. While Discover starts automatic reviews after about 7 months, you are not guaranteed a quick upgrade to unsecured. If your overall credit profile is still weak, or you have late payments elsewhere, your deposit may stay locked longer than you hoped. And because the elevated 2% rewards are capped at $1,000 per quarter in combined gas and restaurant spending, heavier spenders may find the rewards less compelling over time. Overall, if you pay in full every month and want a straightforward path to building credit with real rewards and no annual fee, this is one of the stronger secured options available in 2026. In short, it makes the most sense for disciplined users who can afford the deposit and will treat the high APR as a reason never to revolve a balance, not as a flexible borrowing tool. Well, that's all for this video. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, make sure you give this video a super thanks by clicking on the heart icon to help support the channel, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. We'll see you in the next one.